This is the Lifetime Lancer 100, retails for about $300. What I've done to it to make it where you couldn't get it for less than $1,000 out of any store. I've added fore and aft bulkheads, a luxury seat, adjustable footrests, side handles, fore and aft handles so they all match, paddle straps on both sides, and a yard's worth of track mount. Like I said, you're going to get this for less than $1,000 at any retail store. All together, without the labor, cost me about $450. That's with the price of the kayak. Thank you and have a good day.